You will be provided with goggles of your own. You will keep them in a plastic bag so that you are the only one who ends up using them. Keep these in your drawer. At times, we will need to use gloves. Make sure you follow your instructor's directions for putting on and taking off the gloves. It is important that you follow protocols so that you protect yourself, but you also don't transfer chemicals from the gloves to items like your pen or notebook. Lab coats protects us from caustic chemicals, chemicals that can cause severe burns or irritations, and can be used to cover clothing. We have a variety of sizes of lab coats, 42 for larger students, down to 34 for smaller students. We have a few extra larges above these sizes as well. If you have items that are missing or broken from your lab drawer, you may be asked to retrieve a replacement item from the cabinet near the stockroom door. This cabinet contains flasks at the top, graduated cylinders and watch glasses, various sizes of beakers, larger flasks near the bottom, test tubes, as well as tongs and funnels. The lab has various safety equipment. You can find the fire extinguisher near the whiteboard just to the other side of the partition from the window. There's also a fire blanket that may be used to smother fire, and behind it a mercury spill kit. If mercury needs to be cleaned up, please notify your instructor first before doing anything. The ventilation hoods are used when we have materials that are volatile, which means they form gases readily, that can be noxious or toxic. The air is pulled up through a pipe above the hood. They don't work very well if they are not turned on, or if the sash is open all the way, as this one is. Make sure that the sash is as low as your instructor says it is and leave it at that level. If you spill something on yourself that cannot be easily rinsed off in the sink, you may come to one of the shower stations. If you get something in your eye, there is an eye wash station near the west end of the lab. Above the light switches, you will see an emergency gas cutoff box. This box is in case there is a fire or other emergency that all of the gas supply needs to be cut off in order to reduce the fuel available for a fire. This can be pulled, but it will need to be reset on another floor, so make sure that you only use this in case of emergency.